Jai Hind. I am Cadet Prerna Vakade from Badrinarayan Barwale College, Jalna. As we all know, due to this pandemic, everyone were supposed to be in their homes. But during this time period, various campaigns, programs, events were virtually organized for the awareness of the people. Being an NCC cadet, me and my teammates also took initiatives for the awareness of the people in society. Taittiriya Upanishad said, Annam hi Bahutanam Jeshtham, Annam Parabrahma Swarupam. It means food is the most important thing in our life. Food is manifestation of divinity itself. So when you are donating food, you are not just giving them a substance, you are giving them literally a life. So let's emphasize on our work of food
I am
donation.
Cadet Vaishnavi Pawar from Badrinarayan Barwale Mahavidyalaya and 7 Maharashtra Girls Battalion NCC. NCC contribution towards the COVID amelioration efforts. The word contribution means a gift to a common fund or collection. Let's see what we have contributed as an NCC cadet. It was difficult for us to go out and serve, but we find out the course of action, we took precaution, then we start doing work. At initial stage, not a single case in Jalna. When two cadets went to every house, take the people, explain to people regarding the security precaution which has to be taken to avoid coronavirus. We say in Sanskrit, Annadanam Mahadanam, as it's said by our ancestor, the person who does Annadan or food donation, they blessed by God. We have contributed 100 rupees per person to help in Annadanam. Each of person from our college, society, our cadet and student also involved in this activity. We done all activities which is based on Atmanirbhar Bharat Fit India movement.
सर्वं परवासं दुःखं सर्वं आत्मवासं सुखं एतद्विद्यासमासेन लक्षणं सुखा दुःखायोः. It means whenever our needs are fulfilled by others, it's not that much satisfying till we capable to satisfy our own needs is the happiness from inside. So we'll see our contribution towards Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Hello everyone, Jai Hind. I am Cadet Nandini Kakade from Badrinarayan Barwale College, Jalna. First of all, what is actually Atmanirbhar Bharat? It is the vision of Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, of making India a bigger and more important part of global economy, pursuing policies that are efficient, competitive and being self-sustaining. There are 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is economy, infrastructure, system, demography and demand. We also made a program on Atmanirbhar Bharat in our college. Also, we made a seminar on Atmanirbhar Bharat in which 3 schools and colleges of Jalna were joined. Lastly, I would like to say that Atmanirbhar Bharat is one of the important missions for the economy revival and progress of India's economy. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Investment in fitness is zero, but the returns are infinite. You will soon be able to yield its fruits once you are fit. The Movement of Fit India is just there for you to make aware about fitness, and we are very proud to be a part of such a great movement. And we will also like to show you about our initiatives towards that.
Jai Hind. Fit India movement was launched on 29th August 2019 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at New Delhi. This campaign is being coordinated by Sports Ministries. A board headed by Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju is shaped to take progress ahead. This program was launched to encourage people to remain fit and fine, including physical activities and sports in their daily routine. During this pandemic, being an NCC cadet, we all have initiated various virtual programs through which we could insist and motivate others for exercising and staying fit. Also, each one of us took initiative to spread awareness among at least 10 people in their surrounding, so that even though 10 people meet the next 2 persons and spread the awareness, this chain would go on and it would help us to spread the awareness rapidly. We all must motivate our family members, friends, relatives for exercising daily. Involving different kinds of sports activities will help us to remain healthy and fit physically and mentally.
I, Cadet Katare Bhumika, hereby conclude by saying we are giving our best in every situation by taking proper initiative for better India. Here we show our individual concern for our nation. In this pandemic, if we see India's population is high, but recovery rates are also high. This is all because of proper precautions taken by everyone. Let's take example of great personalities like doctors, police and people belonging to cleanliness. We thank them all. Here we all are Atmanirbhar, as we are avoiding using of foreign things. And every Indian is fit, as we also promote Fit India movement. Let's stand together for achieving the tags like Corona Free India, Atmanirbhar Bharat and Fit India movement. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you.